Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dryer Cycling Thermostat. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Cycling Thermostat. The Cycling Thermostat controls the heat going on and off. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's failed and you're not getting any heat. In order to get to the part, we have to take the front panel off the dryer. First thing we're going to do is open up the door so we can take it off. We're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take the screws out. Once you have both screws out, you can lift up on the door a little bit and pull it out so the hinges come out. Once you have the door off, you can set it aside. Now that we have the door off, we can take the screws and the covers off on the other side. Now we can remove the front panel. There's a little locking clip on each side. We just have to pull to release. Once you have the clips released, you can pull the panel forward a little bit and lift it off the mounting tabs. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Now that we have the front panel off, we have access to the Cycling Thermostat. It's mounted down here in the blower housing. It has 5 wires on it, so you can take a picture or write down where they go. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help get the wires off. Once you have all the wires off, we're going to use our 1/4-inch nut driver to take the screws out. Once you have both screws out, you can grab the shield and the Cycling Thermostat, pull them out. You can separate the two, set the shield aside. Then you can pull the Cycling Thermostat out of the dryer. Here's the old Cycling Thermostat next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Cycling Thermostat in, we're going to get the shield and put it into that. And you want to make sure you line it up so this double terminal is in the back so it lines up with the wires. We can slide it into place and hold it. Once you have it there, we're going to grab the 1/4-inch nut driver and put the screws in. We're not going to tighten this one down all the way. We're just going to leave it loose so we can move it around if we need to line up the lower hole. Once you have the lower screw in, you can tighten up the upper one. Now we can reconnect the wires. We're going to start at the back. The red goes all the way in the back. And then we have the orange. Make sure you push all these on so you get a good connection. Then we had the 2 smaller wires. The black was on the top and the white was on the bottom. Then we had the double purple on the front. Now that you have the new Cycling Thermostat installed, we can put the dryer back together. To put the front panel on, we're just going to set it onto its brackets. Once you have it on there, you can lift it up. Then we have to make sure that the locking tabs go into the little holes. And then you can lock it into place. Now we can put the door back on. You just have to line the hinges up with the openings and push it in. Once you have both of them in, you want to push down on the door so the hinges lock in. Then we can grab the Phillips screwdriver and put the screws in. Now that we have the door on, we can put the screws and the hinge covers on the other side. We're going to drop the screw into the hinge cover first, and then we'll line it up and put it on the front panel. Now that we have the dryer put back together, we can close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.